Alright, ladies and gentlemen, time for part 2 of my 1998 Sea Ray 185 bow rider, update number 2. So the last time, the last update I think showed the boat having 2 jump seats in the back and 2 swivel seats up front. That was the last upgrade, in addition to a Bimini top update as well. So what has changed since then is I'm just gonna load some pictures for you. So here you can see that I've actually taken off the old Bimini top and put a wakeboard tower on, and the wakeboard tower also has its own Bimini which attaches to the wake tower instead of the boat. Another big upgrade you can see is that I've actually literally ripped out the entire rear of the boat and put a much larger sunpad, which is like rectangular instead of T-shaped, and then in front of that also new is bench seats that have like storage bins under them, so you can actually lift the cushion and you just have a huge amount of storage now. Okay, so I covered the wake tower, covered the sunpad, the bench at the back. Another upgrade you can see is that the swim platform, as well as the bow, the floor and the bow, I've added an EVA foam, which should be grippier and also more comfortable. One motivation was to be able to jump off the swim platform with the wakeboard, since I've also got a new wakeboard as well, that I haven't yet tried out, but can't wait for that. And then what else is there? Not a new stereo, but an additional amplifier was installed. So now there's 2 amps, 1 amp which has 80, a 4-channel amp was already there, which had 80 RMS, 80 watts RMS into each channel, and just recently a separate amp, like a single channel amp, which puts 300 watts RMS into one speaker. You can see here in the picture, and then that mono amplifier powers a subwoofer, so both sounds a lot better now. And then finally, last thing is the swim ladder. The old one used to be like a flip out swim ladder, which only had 2 steps and didn't go very deep in the water. This new swim ladder is a telescopic swim ladder, which has 3 steps and it goes further into the water. Apologies for any background noises. And that is it. Yeah, I mean, it was a busy year, or busy 12 months, since it's obviously not my having to do all these things next to a full-time job. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment.